Hello my friends, today I'm making chicken tandoori masala. For the chicken tandoori masala, I have 2 pounds of chicken boneless pieces cut, cleaned and washed. So they're over here. I'll use 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and if you don't have sour cream, that's optional. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you can add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm using Laziza's Tandoori Spice Mix. In the bottle I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Tandoori Masala, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice, and it already has the ginger and garlic powder with the masala, so we don't have to add any ginger garlic paste. If you're using any other masala than Laziza, you have to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste for the marination. So let's start marinating the chicken pieces. I'm using this baking dish which is oven proof, and 1 table for my family. 2 tablespoons are just enough, so I'm adding this. So you can just add the black pepper, half a teaspoon lemon juice, and give it a mix. So over here I have mixed everything together. The best way is to first make the marinade, taste it if you need more salt, if you need more masala, if you need a little bit more lemon juice or a few tablespoons of water to make it like a nice mixture. So you can add anything which you really need to. And on another note, if you have any of the herbs you like to add, you can add half a teaspoon for a different nice and flavor. And I'm using the oregano leaves, just half a teaspoon. I'm gonna sprinkle this and then mix it once again, and then add the chicken pieces to it. I'm gonna just mix it nicely. At this point, when it's all mixed nicely, I'll just cover it with a lid and keep it on the countertop for 15 minutes to half an hour. We have to put a little bit of oil on top of it. We have to preheat our oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but first it has to be marinated for 15 minutes to half an hour. So after half an hour, we have to have a look. It looks good, and we have to add. So we have added 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, which is just perfect for 2 pounds of boneless chicken. I'm gonna mix it, and the oven is calling the chicken. It's preheated, and we are gonna cook it on 400 degrees, uncovered, for 30 minutes. And we'll keep an eye also. After 15 minutes, if we need to, we'll just turn and toss the chicken. And one of my kids is asking a question that why did we add the oil at the last before putting it in the oven? The reason is, if we use the oil along with all the other marination before, then the chicken and the masala, they don't get to stick together that nicely. So we have to give all the spices, the masala which we have, the marinade which we have made, to first stick to the meat, to the chicken nicely, and then just before putting it or cooking it, we have to add the oil so it burn or dry. So that's the reason. Oil goes at the very last in the marination. And now we have to put it in the oven. So after 15 minutes of baking, we have to take a peek inside how it looks like. Nice, creamy, bubbly. I'll take it out and just give it a little mix so the chicken pieces can just change their position a little bit, and then put it again for 15 to 20 minutes. After 40 minutes of baking the chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle rack, I have set my oven on broil, which is 550 degrees. I just want a little bit of the juices and the curry or the masala to just be nicely coated to the chicken and a little bit dried out. 3 to 4 minutes on broil. So while our chicken is being broiled in the oven for a few minutes, I just have this small sliced onion. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, some salt to it, and then I'm gonna add 1/3 spoon of sugar and give it a mix. I'm also going to add black pepper powder and now mix it, and it will be served with the tandoori chicken or the chicken tikka masala. So this is the final look. If you see a little bit more juice or the curry to your marinated and baked chicken, you can always drain it, take it out with a spoon. You can always leave it at 500 degrees so that all the extra curry can evaporate. Now I'm gonna just add these onion rings to it on top of it, and it looks amazing. Oh, it smells so good. And you can serve it with naan, chapati, or mixed vegetable rice. So for tonight we are having masoor ki dal, white rice, chapati, and this amazing baked tandoori chicken. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your family. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Share it with your family and friends. Stay healthy, stay happy. Till next time, take care. Goodbye.